How to see all posts you have liked on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see all posts you have liked on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook application on your device. You have to go ahead towards the home screen of Facebook and make sure to log in to your particular account. After that, select the three-line icon at top right corner to access menu section. Select your profile at top of the screen. Here tap on the three dots next to edit profile button. Now choose activity log option. You need to swipe until you find the option for like and reactions. Choose that. And here you will see all your liked and reacted posts on Facebook. Simply you have to tap on the particular post and then you will see that you have liked on that particular post. If you want to unlike, choose the three dots next to that and tap on unlike button. So that is how we simply unlike any post if you don't want to unlike or see all posts you have liked on Facebook in this way. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.